Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so in today's video, if you guys haven't already seen by the title and the thumbnail, I am going to be doing like a I guess it will be like unboxing of the Janet Collection's new Melt collection. Okay, so this may not be new to some, but it is a newer collection. From my understanding, some beauty supply stores are just now getting it. Some have already had it, some had only some products of the Milk collection, you know, all that jazz. All right, so if you have been going to the beauty supply store, because honey, I know I still do, okay, and sometimes I do like quick beads and things like that, and I still have my girls who wear the pack hair, and I'm even thinking about going back to the pack hair, okay, too, because pack hair was just everything, you know what I'm saying? We strayed away from it, but those are our roots. But anyways, guys, we are going to be talking about the new Milk collection. I did receive this product from the Janet Collection. This review is not sponsored. I'm not getting paid for it or anything like that. I was just sent the product for a honest review. All right, so if you guys have been to a beauty supply store and you've been eyeing any of this collection and you're trying to see, you know, is it any good or not, we are going to really see. We're going to see if it really holds up to its terms and all of that. In today's video, the only thing I'm going to be doing is kind of showing you guys an in-depth review of it, how it looks like up close, taking it out of the package and everything like that, so you guys can pretty much know what you're getting into. And I will do some other videos. I do plan on bleaching the knots on here and seeing how it takes the bleach, and I am going to be making a wig. Okay, so yeah, this video is just gonna be me taking it out and us going through everything. So this is what the packaging looks like, as you can see, from the Janet Collection, and it's called Milk. Now this is HD, their HD collection. All right, so everyone knows that now the HD lace is what is popping. Okay, HD skin melt, everyone wants that. The way that this closure is looking, and I haven't taken it out yet, it looks really good. I mean, it looks good. Okay, I can only imagine how it's going to look once I bleach the knots. Okay, so this is what the back looks like. All right, so on the back, it's just showing you that it's a 4x5 3-part lace closure. All right, so it's just showing you how you can part it however you'd like to part it. And those are some more pictures. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. And it says that this is handmade, which it definitely looks handmade. So we're gonna put that down. So that's what it looks like. That looks super good. I mean, that looks really good actually. I don't really want to rip it. I say I don't want to rip it, and I'm ripping it. Let me cut this. Okay guys, so this is the closure up front. All right, let me just get up close so you guys can see it is pre-plucked. But this is what it looks like. Okay, it looks like this hair is black. Okay, so this is what the back looks like. All right, so I can tell you guys right now that this lace is super thin, and this thicker part is thin as well. I've gotten closures where this little thicker band part is like way too thick, and it makes your wig like humpy and lumpy and all gross looking, but it's super soft. You guys can see from the back where the hair pretty much starts. It's kind of right here. Now, although I love this pre-plucked whole idea, the only thing I'm going to say about this is it could be a blessing and it could also be a curse. And the only reason why I say it could be a blessing and it could be a curse is because I've gotten things that have been pre-plucked and it looked amazing, but then when I put it on, it looked bald or whatever. And I've also gotten things that have been pre-plucked, and after a while it starts balding quicker. So I don't know, those are my only red flags and concerns, because right now it looks perfect. It would seem like I wouldn't have to do absolutely anything to it because it's already perfectly plucked. As you all can see, it looks super good. So we will see. Like I said, I'm going to bleach it. Well, bleach the knots anyway. I'm gonna bleach the knots and see how it takes. Hopefully they lift, and we will go from there. I would like to know if you guys have tried any of their milk collection. They do have a lot. They have the closures. They also have the frontals. Okay, they have like different textures of the frontals. I think from body wave, straight, curly, and things like that. Let me know if you guys have tried it. Have you seen it in your local beauty supply store? Okay, have you seen it in there? Have you been thinking about trying it? I know everybody don't like to order off AliExpress. Everyone don't like to order offline. Everyone doesn't like to order from their local vendor around their house. You know what I'm saying? So have you seen something like this, or have you tried it? I really would like to know how it worked out for you. Okay, or will you just wait until I review it and then go spend your coin? Either way it go, I'll let you know. I'm not completely sure about the price range. Like I said, I will try to find links to this. If it is some links available, I'll try to find you guys some links so you guys can kind of see the prices and maybe even purchase. Okay, so with that, they also sent me some of their bundles, because Janet does have bundles. So these are just regular 20-inch bundles, and I will be making the wig with the bundles in the closure. If you guys would like for me to film me making the wig, please let me know. The only way that I'll know is if you guys give this video a thumbs up and also leave a comment. I do have a lot of videos of me making the wig, so it may just be redundant and you guys may not care. If so, let me know about that too. But anyways, yeah, any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them down below. Please leave me a lot of feedback on what you guys think about this closure before we even get to messing with it and all that kind of jazz. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one.